It's been a rainy weekend and a cloudy start to the new week. I am Zanna James, bringing you everything meteorology on this Meteorology Monday. Now, today we saw mostly cloudy skies due to convergence continuing to produce instability and moisture in the atmosphere. As a result, showers mainly favored Trinidad, with Tobago relatively staying dry. Now, if you've been paying close attention to our satellite imagery, you might have noticed that the ITCZ, that's the Intertropical Convergence Zone, it's inching its way northward from the equator. Now, this is typical in May as we begin transitioning from the dry season into the potential start of the rainy season. But even with the rainfall we experienced this past weekend and more expected ahead, given May 2025's rainfall outlook, which has been leaning towards slightly above average rainfall, we're still officially in the dry season. So what exactly is needed for the Met Service to declare the start of the rainy season? Well, there's a specific set of criteria that must first be met. The TTMS looks for light winds, hot and humid conditions, and most importantly, measurable rainfall of 0.1 millimeters or more, triggered by either the ITCZ or a tropical wave emerging off the coast of Africa. Now, so far, our rainfall has mainly been driven by convergence and moisture advection, not yet by those key rainy season triggers. But I'll be sure to keep watch and let you know when that shift happens. As the atmosphere starts to dry out a bit, we'll begin to feel and possibly see the effects of mild Saharan dust returning. Now, that means slightly hazy skies tonight and into Tuesday. So for those sensitive to air quality being reduced, you'll want to take the necessary precautions. Now, for tonight in Trinidad, expect partly cloudy skies with the chance of a few isolated showers. Temperatures will drop to around 25 degrees here, but over in Tobago, we're looking at about 26 with mostly clear skies and the odd brisk shower. Now, looking ahead to Tuesday, drier upper level conditions are expected, leading to partly sunny skies, but still we cannot rule out any few isolated showers and even the isolated thunderstorm, especially here in Trinidad. As for Tobago, the drier trend continues. Expect mostly sunny and slightly hazy skies with just 1 or 2 brief showers. Temperatures over in Tobago will peak around 31 degrees. And although our skies have been active, our seas have stayed relatively calm. Conditions are expected between slight to moderate, with wave heights up to 1.5 meters in open waters and less than 1 meter in sheltered areas. And as you check your high tide and low tide times, be reminded that the asterisk you see on our chart indicates that the tide occurs on the falling day and not the absence of a tide. Well, that's all from me for this Meteorology Monday. I'll see you tomorrow for your Travel Tuesday forecast. Sugoni, back to you.